This is Corleen from Natural V. It's your favorite. Today, I'm getting ready to eat in a few minutes, but I wanted to, show you a very good drink that you can make yourself. And I don't do sodas and, that kind of stuff. And so, but there sometimes I want some type of carbonated drink, okay? And so I like to juice. And this is my juicer. This is a Nama juicer. I mean, I love it. I think I've had it maybe about going on 4 years now. I love it. And what I do, I juice my ginger, my vegetables, everything. Lemons, I juice it all. And I like juicing the ginger. I just put the whole, I make sure it's organic and I get the whole root and I just drop it in there and it'll juice it. And I want to show you that when it juices, it comes out. I just got a little bit left, but I wanted to show you this drink before I drink it all up. And it's a little, you know, if you can see that, a little um, kind of dark. You can tell that, it still has a lot of the fiber and stuff in it, and I like to do the lemon like that too, because when I juice the lemon, it looks darker. It really it really does. But if I, do the twisting, that way, it it's kind of lighter. But I think this is better this way. But I wanted to just show you how to make a carbonated drink that is very simple, is natural, and is more healthy than you buying it at the store, because most of them have their own sugar in it. But let me just give you some benefits of carbonated water, or mineral water. Sparkling water, mineral water is the same thing. And I also buy the one in the jar, because the plastic, it kind of leaks, and I just stopped buying that. And so I just buy this, and this is a whole food brand, and it's from a product of Italy. All right. But these are some of the benefits. It replaces soft drinks. All right. It keeps you hydrated. It improves your swallowing ability. It is linked to lower heart disease risk. It's better. You get a better blood flow from drinking this carbonated or mineral water, and it contains essential minerals. Some of them calcium, potassium, psyllium, and iron. So there are different minerals in there, and it supports your digestive health. It increases bone density, and it improves blood lipids. Okay, so that's the benefits of drinking sparkling water or mineral water. And the benefits of ginger. Remember, I remember when growing up, if you had a stomach ache, or just any kind of like a sore throat or something, my mom, they would always give you ginger. Here, drink this. No, they at first they would go buy the ginger ale, and that's what you would take. But I said, no, make your own. Now, these are some benefits of ginger. It is an antioxidant, okay, and it has anti-inflammatory properties in it. So it's a medicinal root. It treats morning sickness. My granddaughter, when she would fly, she always get vertigo. So I would tell her, okay, then you need to get you some ginger chews. Take some. And I think the last time that she bought the first time she flew, she bought the first one. But the next time I made them for her, the ginger chews. It may help with weight loss. Also, some studies show that it helps with symptoms such as joint pain and stiffness. Other studies show that it lowers your blood pressure. Uh, and like I said, chronic indigestion, yes, that was one thing that, when you had belching and stuff, you go get a ginger ale. But like I said, this is even better. It A study said that it reduced menstrual pain, it lowers your cholesterol level, and it helps fight infections. And one of the infection I think it's talked about was candida, and I think a lot of people, deal with that because of the over excess sugar in a lot of our products that we eat. All right, so what I normally do, I normally take a teaspoon, no, a tablespoon of ginger that I've already juiced, okay? And then I just fill it up to a cup of this sparkling water. And it's already been cold because I don't normally put ice in my drinks or anything. And then I just put a little sweetener. So, okay. Then I'm going to stir it and taste it to see if I got enough sweetener in it. And you can see that fizz. Let's see here. Just a little bit more sweetener. Okay, that should be it. Okay, here we go. Oh, perfect. Oh, just to have that sparkling water, that fizz, it tastes so good. So I just wanted to show y'all, make your own. And you can also do lemonade. Do your own lemonade. And one recipe I had done about lemonade, I juiced lemon and apples and mix it together. So that was a sweetener and the lemons. And let's see, my brother, he had a party. And so I went there to help with serving and making different dishes and stuff like that. And I made the lemonade, the apple lemonade. And I'm telling you, they thought it was delicious. And so that's another option too. You can do limeade, lemonade, ginger ale. So try it. And I'm going to tell you, you're going to like it. You're not going to go back to the store bought one anymore. Believe me. Okay. All right. So look, y'all have a great day and enjoy this day and drinking a nice cool drink. All right. And one thing, I want to add one more thing. If you cannot, I just drink this in moderation. I don't drink it every day. I may drink like sometime once a week, you know. But limit if you have problems with sparkling water, then make sure you check with your doctor. And like I said, just have it in moderation. All right, because a nice hot day and a nice cool good drink is wonderful. All right, y'all have a good day. All right, take care. Bye bye.